All right, everybody. Welcome to this little brief tutorial on how to make parent-teacher conference calls through Google Meet. So for many of us, there's somewhat of an expectation that we need to either make a phone call through our district line, like a phone established in our classroom, or maybe encouraged to use our cell phones to make calls, which those are okay. But I wanted to show you a solution that's literally built in to your Google Educator account. So the first thing, sign into your Google account as you normally would for your school day, and then go to meet.google.com. And what you can do is right here, click Join or Start a Meeting, like we normally do to make one, and we can name it. Sure, why not? PT Conferences Beat the Duke, and I'll click Continue. All right, it's going to set up our Google Meeting. It's going to get everything ready. It's going to make sure that everything is up and running. All you need to do is make sure that your microphone is working. We don't need to appear on camera, so we don't need to run that. And once it looks good, we can click Join Now, and it's going to open up our Google Meet like normal. Now, before we close out this white screen, this is the most important piece. We can click on Add People at the bottom, so I'm going to click on that. All right, it's going to open up the ability to add people, and we can invite them through email. But there's an even better opportunity if we just click on the tab that says Call. From there, you literally just type in the phone number as you normally would. So I'll type in the first part of my phone number and then 1234. Once it recognizes it's a valid number, we can click on Call, and it will establish and initiate that phone call as normal. And then all you need to do is just wait for the person to pick up on the other end of the phone. And you've established a phone call to the parent or guardian. The only thing to keep in mind is that the phone number may come from an unrecognized number. For me personally, it comes from a Massachusetts number, and that's a little strange because I'm in New York. So parents might be a little hesitant to pick up the line. But for me, I kind of give the parents a heads up, like, hey, this phone call might come from somewhere a little different. Just because that's how Google Meet works. But if you wouldn't mind picking up at our scheduled time, it could make life very easy. So it's a very simple process. It's very easy to do. And, it just makes life a lot easier for, having our resources available, being able to open up a new tab, just being able to run and get our stuff set up so we have all of our information in front of us. We could open up a new tab, show their grades, discuss things, bring up attendance. That way we're not standing on the side of the wall where the phone is mounted or, we're trying to call from our cell phone or anything else like that. We have all of our information kind of just, in one single spot. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any other comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to drop comments in this video. I try to respond to them as quick as possible, and I really like generating that type of discussion. So best of luck, and hoping you have a wonderful day.